Hey traders, Nick here. I wanted to look at Netflix. I always say, watch the levels, don't trade headlines unless you know the levels. This stops me, from chasing or getting out or getting in at the wrong time. And this is especially true in a stock like this one. This is Netflix. A lot of lines. I could do more. But if you look at it, all the lines kind of played out. And if not, then they help me not to do something stupid. So looking at Netflix shorter term, yesterday we had a down 3% day on Netflix. That's this one tick right there. Today it's up 3 and some. So like nothing happened, right? So they opened here, they fell to here, and today they're back up to here. So on a weekly basis, you won't even see that. Depends on where the week ends. So I am long Netflix and profitable now. And yesterday, if I traded the ticks down, they looked ugly. How ugly did they look? Let me see if I can drill down. Whoops, sorry about that. Let me see if I can drill down to a 2-hour time frame. So that was yesterday. So somebody that is long Netflix and they see this one, oh my God, maybe I should look at my book profits or sell out of my longs, and then you get this candle here. It's pretty daunting. So if you don't have levels, you get out. Where? Somewhere around here. Say, oh, okay, it hit my stop, I'm out. But that is exactly the wrong place to get out. Why? Because I look left, and that's an area that was well consolidated. Okay, there was a dip below it, but there was plenty of action here to tell me that the place of the prior breakout, could offer some support. Why? Because whoever fought over it here, they're going to fight over it here. If it's machines, the machines are probably programmed to buy and sell at these places. Who got screwed? Somebody chasing this upside hopium. Who didn't? If you had seen this coming, this was a lower time frame breakout that we played, then this would be your exit point. Because eyeball, this would be the target of this breakout. So right here, I did a write-up to myself and to friends, is basically saying, if we lose this, we go down. If we break above that, we go up. So I wait for the break up or break down, and then I chase it. But this will be my exit point and wait for the second breakout. I did note that if we break out, then I chase it. If not, so you see how knowing level gets us out of trouble. So also this is probably the most important thing here. Way back then, and that's why we got long, there were several things that told us, okay, one level could lead to another, several trend lines that broke out that got us to there and then some. So the dip to here, totally normal action. In fact, if I wanted to draw it, if I shut off the TV and I don't listen to news, this would be expected price action, right? So nothing goes up forever. It goes up, they retrace back to a breakout line to where they see, okay, is it solid footing before you spring out? Okay, so do I chase here? It all depends on your thesis on everything. I don't know what you think of Netflix. It had a good day last night in the Emmys or something like that. But to me, it was a price action thing. I do have profits. I may book them. I'm not sure. The market is telling me I should stay long or trail it, especially that it's a calendar long. So time can tick and I can still be okay. In fact, I want it to tick for the short leg to die and I'll be naked longs for cheap. So the point of this video is not a trade on Netflix, so to speak, but on how you use levels in order not to get out. And then pick several views. So here's a different slice of it. Hopefully I can show, what is this? Yeah, okay, this is Netflix also. And you can see then this was yesterday and this was today. Like nothing happened. They came back to the scene of the crime. So do I start chasing here? I need more information. So here's my plan. Okay, this is how I showed you levels of why not to get out. So this is level of where to get in. So do I get in here? I don't know. I need more information. So here's my plan of action would be, look at this level. Why? Because this was the scene of the crime. This is where accident happened. Okay, we're back, touched it, fell. That's okay. This is normal action. What happens here is important. This or that. So I wait to see what happens here. I'm okay missing out on a buck. And then it goes up. And if it does go up, I expect some resistance right here. Why? Because this was the last accident place before that one. So this is how levels play out. So this is kind of like a cup and handle thing. But I need to, you can anticipate it. If I don't have a lot of longs, I probably would jump the gun. But markets are all-time high. We have a whole bunch of crap coming down the pike. There's no rush until this breakout. In fact, I'm going to draw the line here so I can remind myself. So somebody technical could probably draw, okay, there's a trend line here or whatever. To me, it's just a, it's not a hard line in a sense. It's a rubber band zone. Okay, so lesson, don't get spooked out or sucked into a situation where price is moving and you have to chase it. Like, price is moving, you have to chase it, wrong thing. Price is moving, you have to chase it, wrong thing. Find the levels and trade against those levels. Nick signing out.